For our first pro tip today, we're going to talk about the zones of fishing on the beach and what that significance is. So when talking about the zones of fishing, you're talking about like up close, in the middle of the trough, and the sandbar regions. Let me explain a little bit deeper. So this close-up zone is an area where fish are coming in to find bait. They're finding sand fleas, they're finding little tiny bait fish to feed on. So they're going to take their time up here, they're meandering about. The zones are really important when it comes to catching pompano, especially because the pompano are typically running in somewhere near the sandbar, in relation to the sandbar. They'll either be right in front of it, on top of it, and then on the back side of the sandbar. Now that's when they're really moving. They're traveling from one place to another. They may not stop to feed if they're way out there, but that is a lot of times where you can find them in the winter time. So it's going to be really important to have a very long rod, 13 foot or longer, to be able to cast that distance to get to the fish. That's a little bit about the zones, and it's important to stagger your lines and to have them in the different zones. Once you find where the fish are, then you can move all your lines to that zone.